Hey guys, I'm Amber and welcome to My Live Kitchen, the show where we take the cool little recipes and videos you find online and we make them for real life. So today we're making Twinkie Mummies from midgetmama.com. I don't own that site, even though it fits. So let's get started. Actually, hold up. I used to do this. I don't do this anymore, but I actually have my tab today. I hate deals. It's literally what it says. I hate deals. .com, and they're called Twinkie Mummy Halloween treats. I can't talk today. Let's get down to the directions. Okay. Hello. I think I've been doing it this way, right? Yes, I know, I cannot rotate my device while I'm live. Yep, that works. Okay, cool. So it calls for 16 ounces of white chocolate chip, or white melting chips. I got the generics today. I ended up getting 20 ounces, because last time we kind of overdid our Rice Krispie Treat Frankensteins, or Rice Krispie Treat Monsters. So we're not doing that again. 6 Twinkies. And my store does not sell Twinkies, so we got the generics. I am not paid to tell you what brand I got. Huh? They are yellow cakes that are generic knockoffs of Twinkies. And we need 12 candy eyes, and we still have our candy eyes from last week. So, first, we're going to melt the chocolates. And this says to do it in a double boiler. Haha, no. So if you remember last week, if you watched last week when we did the melting chocolates, it said, short burst of 20 seconds and then stir for 10 between, and that didn't do jack. So on my microwave, and maybe your microwave is different, did 30 seconds, and that did it perfectly. So although I don't think 20 ounces is going to fit in this bowl. Oh, it might. I'm going to have a very chocolatey mess. Don't throw my knife away. Woo! Yes, it fits. Just going to be very tight. Actually, no, it's not. I'm going to get a bigger bowl. I don't have much bigger than that, though. Let's do. Okay, you know what? 10, 16 ounces. Here's what I'll do. We're gonna guess a little. Hopefully that's 16 ounces, and I'll use this for later in case we need more to melt. I do have extra Twinkies, so that should be enough, I hope. So while that is happening, I'm going to go ahead and unwrap my Twinkies. While melting the chocolate, get a baking sheet and line it with wax paper. Okay, so I don't have wax paper. However, I do have aluminum foil. If I can reach it, I got it. Oh shoot, that's a new box. I don't want a new box. I'll do the old one first. not have parchment paper. Woo! Where's that burner going? Okay. Shiloh. That didn't do anything. So let's do another 30 seconds. Okay, you're thirsty? Yeah. Aiden, where's that Gatorade I bought? What? Ah! Start picking it up. Yes, because I asked you to. Okay. Got one. Okay, looks like we got some meltage going on, not a lot, but it's starting to melt. Yep. Ah, there's some meltage in the bottom. Alright. Not a lot of melting though. Okay. So let's put that in for another 30 seconds. Whoa! Keep unwrapping our Twinkies. So, again, I'm sorry I don't have another guest this week. Hopefully next week. I'm going to try next week. Because, like I said, I just got sick. Waked me out. I did not feel great. And, I don't know. I mean, I went 5 nights without sleeping. So that's another 30 seconds. And, oh, I think we have meltage. Yep, it seems pretty melted. You know what? And last time I put oil in it to make it smoother. Smoother, and I didn't do that this week. It's going to be a little chunky, but maybe that's going to be good for texturing. It's fun to experiment. Okay, so when chocolate is melted, dip each Twinkie into the chocolate and make sure it's completely covered. And then lay flat side down on your baking sheet with wax paper. Oh, it's not as smooth as I thought it would be. And yeah, that just happened. It just ate my Twinkie. You know what? I'm going to put some oil in this and I'm going to nuke it for another 30 seconds. Let's see what that does. actually, that's already a lot smoother right now. So maybe I will not nuke it. Just whip it real fast. Alright, so the dipping obviously did not work. I don't really want to try that again. So let's do the spoon. I'm going to spoon it on. Then maybe we can get a little bit of a mummy texture going. Like wrap it back and forth. I love Halloween recipes. There we go, that looks a little mummy-ish. Okay, hey Ruth. Today we're doing, what happened? What happened? You got scratched? Okay. It was probably an accident. So today we're making Twinkie Mummies, and it's from midgetmama.com. And we'll check on that in a bit. You know what? I got 6 this time. Last time I did 12. I don't think I'm going to be here that long anyway. She'll be over it in 5 minutes. Titan, what did you do to the kid? Did you guys play rough again? Woo! Chocolate everywhere. Okay, these do not seem to really look much like the picture on the website. However, I do kind of prefer using the white chocolate melts because it's not turning my eyes green either, so that's kind of a plus. So let's get another one here. And I kind of went overboard on the chocolate melt chips this week because I did not want that again, where I had like all these Rice Krispie treats unwrapped and like no icing or melt or chocolate or candy or whatever this is called. Candy melts. Thank you, Pinterest. I've learned to use new things. God bless the internet. Ah! No! No! My hard work and dedication! Okay, and before it hardens, take a fork and make marks. Oh! So you're supposed to take a fork and... Okay, I got it! Oh, cool. Okay, so we take the fork. There we go. Hey, check that out. Now it looks like a mummy. Okay. I'm digging this. Hey, that's what I get for looking at the instructions again. Probably should have memorized them before I tried this. And our dinner is done. Yoink. Yoink. See, that makes it a huge difference. Just adding the fork marks. Did you hit your head?
No, that's Zoe did.
Okay. Honey, let me see. Come here, right here. In front of the fridge where the light is. Look up. Okay, that was accidental. Okay?
No.
Okay, honey, you're fine. We tell you not to roughhouse with him. I am going to make a Pumpkin King cookie. Oh my gosh! Like Pumpkin King? Is that Jack Skeleton? Oh, you come to... Oh, hi, Shy. No, touchy, please. Please, no touch. No. I'm gonna kick you! You see what this kid is doing? I think Erin is right. I'm getting upstaged by kids. Hey! Really?
I didn't want it.
Yeah, I see what you did. I see what you did.
You did.
Really? I'm being upstaged by a 7-year-old.
Hey.
Hi. No Twinkie Mummies for you. Sweet. That is really cool. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have more chocolate than Twinkies, so I can open more Twinkies and make more mummies. Yay, I thought ahead.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Or I could just, like, make one with a behemoth amount of icing. Oh, crap, I gotta get dinner out of the oven. Watch out, Shy.
No!
Yes, you want burnt?
I want to play that.
Alright, fine, take Legos and go. 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 Please, thank you. Remember, you just unplug the tab. I don't want to hear it when it's dead. Hi, Titan, watch out. Well, it doesn't look done. It'll be fun if I put it in and turn it off. Do. I got it under. This is so messy and it's so fun. It is actually quite relaxing to just, like, you know, put more stuff on top of Twinkies to kind of guarantee that it'll give you a heart attack one day. Like, seriously, did you ever imagine forking Twinkies? Oops. Okay. Add the eyes. And I am loving this white icing because, like, if you drop it upside down, it doesn't jack up the eyes like the green ones did. So I'm going to actually... I have a lot of chocolate milk left. That's cool. I didn't have that problem last week. So, I got more Twinkies. I'm going to do another mummy. Ugh. Okay, now if I remember what the website said, I hope I do. Set this aside for 5 minutes and it should harden. I think I might make 2 more Twinkies. Woo! Either that I'll give each kid a spatula and let them lick the bowl and see which one gets diabetes first. Ah! Hey, you can have it when it hardens. And you've already walked away with my tab, and now you're coming after my mummies? Ah! 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 No! Don't touch my mummies until they're hard! No! No, hey, you almost spilled the candy ice. I got you! Oh, do you just want to like the icing? Is that all you want?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, give me a sec, Shy. Hang on. Why didn't you just ask for the icing?
I see this good.
Here, tell you what. Look at this. We even got an ice cream spoon. There you go. Bye. Love you. I love you. It doesn't talk when it's shoving stuff in its mouth. Those are the cutest little Twinkies I think I've ever seen. Alright, last Twinkie. I don't know why they say... Let me check. Yeah, pizza's still good. Well, I'm glad that I have enough candy chocolate milk, because that was a pain last week. So, like I said, I hope next week I have a guest. I apologize for the past 2 weeks. It's just... And this cold has really KO'd me. And I'm not usually the type that gets sick either, which really... I don't know. I think my immune system's going... And I don't know why my immune system's going. I haven't had a flu shot or anything bad. But, whatever. Whatever. Are you watching that family gaming channel? I hear Gamer Dad or whatever his name is.
Only Gamer Dad.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they do look yummy. I can't wait until they get hard. Didn't wake up this morning expecting to wait on hard mummies. That is a new one for me. So let's get these candy eyes on. Now, last time I put them in the freezer while we had dinner, and that was a huge mistake. I hope you get better soon. I'm feeling a lot better. I still have a little bit of drainage going on, and it's nasty. But I'm a smoker, so I'm always gonna hack stuff up. But it's like that 2-week period, man. All right, since I have icing all over my hands, I want to give you just a picture of one of these. They are awesome. Can you see it? My phone's in the way. I know I can't rotate. Oh, you know what? Hope you enjoy a close-up of my boob. No. I'm not even going to freeze them for 15 minutes. I don't want to even freeze them for 1 minute. I'm going to actually let them chill in the, they're going to chill in the fridge until they're ready. So, okay, that is Twinkie Mummies from midgetmama.com. That was a lot of fun. I loved it. The ratios are a little crazy trying to get 16 ounces of white chocolate. Other than that, I didn't have any problems. They would never survive in the mail if I mailed them to you, honey. So anyway, oh my god, that's good. This is actually better than the Walmart stuff. I'll see you later.